Welcome back to the next section of Traefik Training. In this section, we're going to talk about the compressed middleware. And the compressed middleware is kind of something that's very standard in web servers or any type of proxy. And that's, we want to compress the content before returning it back to the requester. And how that works is, again, here's our router here, and our compressed middleware is connected to the router. So if a request comes in that hits this router, then the compress actually compresses the results and returns it as a response in a compressed way. Now, why do we compress content? It's faster, your web page loads quicker, and Google likes fast websites. So all good things. That's why I'm saying it's a very common request. It's a very common configuration, and I see it quite often in the field. So this is exactly how the workflow goes. And to enable the compressed configuration is quite simple. Again, Traefik HTTP middlewares test compress is the name that we provide, and compress is actually the middleware name from Traefik itself. And all we're doing is equals true, enabled, done. So the compressed configuration is quite straightforward. It's one label. We just essentially assign the label Traefik http.middlewares.test compress equals true. The test compress, as you remember, is the user defined name of the middleware. And compress is the middleware name provided from Traefik. And all we do is have to enable it to true, and everything else is done for us. Then we have compression enabled. So join me in the next section as we go to the compress lab, and we actually start compressing some of the cat content before we send it. All right, join me in the lab.